Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to save your Chrome profile to the desktop. So to do this, the first thing you have to do is open up Chrome. Once you've opened up Chrome, choose the profile you want to save to your desktop. So I'm going to choose this profile. Once you've chosen a profile, go to the top right corner and click on the three dots. Under the three dots, you'll see your account option. Hover over it. And once you've hovered over it, a list of options will appear. Click on the option that says Customize your Chrome. Once you've clicked on this option, scroll down, and at the bottom you'll see an option that says Create Desktop Shortcut. So this is toggled to off, and you need to toggle this to be on. When you do this, a shortcut will appear for your profile. So if you open this, your profile will be opened. If you want to remove it, all you have to do is just toggle this off and Google will automatically remove the shortcut. So if you want to toggle it back on, just toggle it on, and there is your Chrome profile saved to your desktop. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.